After sauce is in the pan, we stir fry for about a few minutes. I say 2 to 3 minutes before we cover with the lid. Consistently moving them around, letting meat and mushroom evenly coated with the sauce, and that's where the flavor from. After 3 minutes stir fry, cover with the lid and turn off the stove. Let it sit for another 2 to 3 minutes before we garnish with sweet red pepper and remaining scallions. Then give a few tosses, letting scallions and red pepper mix well with meat and mushrooms. Doesn't this dish look so beautiful?